Happy Tuesday, It's August 13, 2024 and it's a beautiful Tuesday morning, syempre. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay natin, darating sa buhay natin, kasama mga pagsubok, mga challenges, mga trials ng buhay natin, which makes our life wonderful, beautiful, and exciting. At syempre, huwag natin kalimutan yung mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials and challenges. Salamatan natin sila. At dun sa mga marites sa paligid ng buhay natin. Shoutout to kay Glenda, kay Glenda, kay Puchi, kay Margie Crane, kay Cecil Boris, Mama Lu, Luisa Susan, Louie Moreno, ang family, and the Bolton Boys, Lodi Acosta, Jane Pangilinan, Joel Pistolante, Jordan Nandiritzasi ng Cagayan de Oro City, Janet Padaag, ang Aldi Galvadores ng Balay City, Bukidnon, Ruby Cortez, Jima David, Inay Araso, Elizabeth Ibarra, Magdil Andres, Angie Sarmiento, Rachel Pastorero, at kay Ed Smilov. Yun. Repose of the day natin po is, with a pure heart, free from negativity, and a grateful, positive mind. Such is a powerful combination needed for a person to holistically heal the body. So keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, like, and sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Tuesday, everyone.